Homeopathic treatment for children who are suffering from autism. Today, I'll talk specifically from the point of view for parents who take online treatment from us for autism. Be it India or other parts of India, like the other states from Maharashtra, like Karnataka, Kerala, New Delhi, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, we see patients from all the corners of India via online treatment. So these parents, even though they are staying away from our center in Mumbai, they get online treatment which is at par with treatment received from our center in person. Similarly, we have a lot of patients who come to us from other parts of the world, like US, UAE, Europe, Canada, to name a few. Why do these parents come to us in the first place from other countries? Is that they have been relocated to a new country, and some of them have been staying there for a long time, but then after a certain period when they are giving therapy, educational support, they still feel that the child is not improving up to the mark. And coming from India has its own unique benefit that we have been exposed to other pathways like Ayurveda, homeopathy, Unani, naturopathy, yoga, to name a few. I'll talk about homeopathy because I have been practicing homeopathy for the last 25 years and specifically in the field of autism for 15 years. The patients which we see from other countries come to us for difficulties in functional language, hyperactivity, behavioral issues, and sometimes there are oromotor problems. So, homeopathy is a systematic and scientific way of treatment based on sound principles. Your homeopathic doctor from India undergoes a rigorous training for 5.5 years and then he gets a degree to practice homeopathy. Homeopathy needs a lot of patience on the part of the physician who is treating, and also the patients also should be cooperative. One should not think that we are going to cure the child or we are going to do miracles. One has to be rational and realistic and formulate a proper mode of or line of treatment. What are the goals, what we want to achieve, and be rational. Even though we have seen cases where a lot of kids have improved and even on assessment there are no symptoms of autism, but still we would not go on the line of curing autism. We would like to work with the kids and see what best can be achieved. In the cases of functional speech, we have seen in kids who are verbal, who can speak few words and but have a limited vocabulary, and these kids when given homeopathic medicines have shown a lot of improvement, and not only the speech but our aim is to improve the comprehension of the child, the cognitive skills of the child, so that the child understands better and he is in a better position to express himself and talk. Similarly, not only the areas of speech and cognition, but other areas of behavioral things can also improve simultaneously when the child is getting homeopathy. Other region when parents come to us from US or UAE is for behavioral issues. Sometimes the children who are going to school are due to certain sensory issues may pinch the child, other children, may hit other children, or sometimes they might scratch or bite other kids. This can be very challenging. One of the major issues in foreign countries which I have seen, that when the child inappropriately goes and hugs somebody, even though the child doesn't understand, but it can be very difficult in a school setup. So in homeopathy, there are specific medicines which cater to these issues, and these medicines, when given, can remove or heal these symptoms in a safe manner without causing any side effects or without causing any long-term problems for the child. So, suppose like I'll talk about a medicine which I had given to a case which I was treating. The child used to scratch everybody, okay, in the school setup, and there was a lot of challenge. So now there are many medicines, and in homeopathy, one of the medicines which we prescribed for him, and the child shows so much improvement that he used to do all the other activities properly, and the only challenge was the scratching for him in the school setup. So this thing was removed, and the child was properly channelized in the school setup. So like this, there are various issues in autism which can be successfully handled with homeopathy. And Also, therapies are important. One should not leave therapies and other interventions which one is following. In our practice, we have seen an integrated treatment of homeopathy and nutrition, which we give to our patients, have been very beneficial. And online practice we are doing from 2003, so almost 2 decades of experience in seeing the whole cycle, how online patients can be treated, what can be treated, what cannot be treated. So all these things we have experience for a long time, and now with so much advance in technology, we are very happy to help kids who are on the spectrum for the last 15 years with some wonderful results. And I hope that many parents should look forward and at least get knowledge about homeopathy, how the science works. To give a brief, homeopathy was discovered 200 years back by a German physician known as Dr. Samuel Hahnemann, and from that time it has been going. This simple and gentle way of treatment is going on. India is a leading hub of homeopathy, and we have many homeopathic doctors who are doing wonderful job in this field. In our autism field and homeopathy, there are certain experts who are doing an excellent job, and we are very happy to see how homeopathy has come to the rescue in cases where kids would have otherwise faced uh, a lot of challenges and would have to take some drug dependency medicines and all those issues. So they were luckily they took homeopathy, and it helped them. Also, in the long run, homeopathy is not causing any drug dependency or any adverse reactions. Whenever you want to stop the medicines, you can stop. And in most of cases, we have not seen any regression happening even after stopping the medicine. So these are the benefits of homeopathy. And homeopathy, one should have patience. It's not that homeopathy is slow to act, but autism is a complex neurodevelopmental disorder. And we have seen people and parents who have kept patients and given proper follow ups, kept a track of what's happening with the therapy in the school, what's happening in the IEP. So, overall, when the feedback comes to us, we are in a much better position to help the child realistically. Also, we work with individuals who are now becomes adults and they are having certain challenges of behavioral issues, certain sensory problems, certain problems with their day-to-day activities. These adults also have been benefited with homeopathy. So we are seeing a complete array of age group, right from kids who come to us at the age of 1.5 years to adults who are in their 30s or late 40s also. These all these things, all these individuals have been benefited with homeopathy. At the same time, we would like to stress an integrated approach is the best approach in treating autism. Be it online, be it offline, you should work as a team and see what best can be done for the child. That's what we feel at Dr. Josh's Center for Autism. Thank you.